my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So first I want to thank MSLYNN for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this 5x5 Kinky Curly 4C Curly Edge 24-inch wig, okay? She is, look at these curls.
Look at the...
Yes, hunty. If you guys want to see me install this wig and see everything that you get with this wig, we got some goodies. I got some stuff with this wig that I ain't never got before. So if you guys want to see all that good stuff, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, y'all. And let's get into this video. Hey everybody. So today we are working with MSLYNN. This packaging is cute, right? I like this little gold stuff. All right, so with the wig, you get this cute little pouch and it looks like it has some goodies in it. Let's get into it. So we have a wide tooth comb, some lashes, some press-ons, baby. These are cute. I think I might have to give these to my daughter. A baby hairbrush. Oh, it's like a triangle one. Hold on. Oh, yes, it's like a triangle one. And then, I don't know. This is giving tongue scrub. I'm not sure. Yeah. But that's cute. And it has a little point on the end. I ain't never had one like this before. Then, I don't know what's in this little pouch. Oh my gosh. It's like some brushes. Wow, this is cute. Never have I got one of these. So adorable. Okay, and then the wig will come like this. All right, so it says it's a 24-inch transparent 5x5 4C natural color kinky curly 180% density. Your wig caps, of course. This is like a little extra elastic band that you can sew onto your wig if you want. And here is the wig. Let's get a little close up on the edges real quick. So this is a 4C kinky edge wig. So we are going to be curly, and it's a 5x5 closure. So yeah. All right, but yes, it is also kinky curly hair, which it feels really good. Ooh, look at my hands just run through this curly hair. We love that. Yes, baby. Let's get into the construction of the wig. It is a 5x5, so you have a nice little deep part you can do. You have 3 combs, adjustable elastic band. Oh, and it adjusts some more right here so you can make it even tighter. And then your adjustable straps on the side as well. It's looking like a lot of head can fit in here, so hopefully it's big girl head friendly. I might go in and pluck just a little bit of the baby hairs because I like the baby hairs to be like on the thinner side. I'm gonna go in, pluck a little bit of that, and then you guys can watch me style this beaut. She's so good. Get into the ends real quick. And it's 24 inches, y'all, so this is beautiful. All right, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so I have finished styling the hair. The wig looks great. The kinky edges look really good as well. I just threw some like water, a little bit of conditioner and gel, just like I did to define the curls. And then a little foundation on the parting. And look at this. She is beautiful. She's giving movement. I'm loving the natural luster of this hair. Ooh. Okay, and this is 180% density, and I feel like it's like the perfect amount of density. It's giving full, it's not giving too much. I do have all the hair pulled forward, and I just feel like it looks like a natural full curly head of hair. Okay, and I love that. Let me show you guys the back real quick. So yes, this is the hair. Okay, so let's go over it one more time. It is a 5x5 closure 4C curly edges kinky curly wig, okay? And a natural black and 180% density. And she is just stunning. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Yes. And we're giving movement, and we're giving body. What? Yes, baby girl. Yes, baby girl. I love it. And I'm glad I did a side part, because the side part is giving it. It's giving it to the girls. Yes, honey. All right, so yes, so the lace goes from here to here. There's no ear tabs that you have to worry about. Honestly, I don't even be putting the combs in. But anyway, that's what it looks like on the sides. And yes, the kinky edges really camouflage the lace as well, so you don't even have to really worry about what the lace is looking like, because the curls are going to be covering all that up. All right, so make sure you guys check out Miss Lynn in the description box below. I'll have the direct link, a discount code, and their website in there as well. Comment below and tell me how you guys like this curly head wig. I think she's fabulous. I find her fabulous, to be honest. She's so beautiful. I'm just obsessed with curly hair. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.